So again, welcome back to my Dharamshala in Dharamshala. Today, let's explore more about Norbulingka Monastery and the museum. Let's take a walk here, and it was a very beautiful place. Here you can see kilometers. Like it. And here, right in the hand, this museums, right? So thank you guys watching these vlogs.